Rewards Hotel is where hospitality meets with royalty. Irrespective of your perceived status, we treat you as the royalty that you are. Customer satisfaction is our watchword. Our facility and service is designed to give you a sense of home. So, this is home away from home. Check out our tasty and mouth-watery African and continental cuisine. Our blend of bar plus swimming pool gives you the needed relaxation your body deserves. Our star-driven, luxurious accommodations has been carefully packaged not to break your bank account. Enjoy first world treatment at third world cost. With us, your stay will always be memorable. Come and be treated with royalty.